Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to copy and paste on Windows. Firstly, using the right-click menu, highlight the text by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. Right-click on the highlighted area, then click Copy. Navigate to where you want to copy or paste the text. Then right-click in the text field and select Paste. For the second method, right-click directly on the file or folder or image. Choose Copy, then navigate to the location where you want to place it. Right-click again and choose Paste. Also, you can copy multiple files by clicking and dragging your mouse to draw a box around the files, or hold the Shift key and select files individually. Once selected, right-click one of them and choose Copy, and then move to a new folder, right-click in the empty space and choose Paste. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.